Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this condenser microphone. Has some pretty cool features, I think, here. Alright, let's check this out. Compatible with multiple systems, USB connect, plug and play, perfect for recording, podcasting, gamings, and meetings. Nice packaging here. This nice foam protection there on there. Okay, so let's check this out here. It's got one of those little like voice screen things. I think this is to, not only does it look cool, but it also, I think it helps dissipate the sound or something, help us feel a little better. Some kind of a little, what is it exactly, do those really help? You see a lot of like professionals, they have these in front of their microphone, so it probably does something. Okay, what else we got? We got this nice little pad here with some foam on the back. Looks like a screw there on top. So this allows you to attach this to your desk or whatever. So this is some pretty solid actual metal. This is not plastic. This is a metal piece here. It's got a nice little foam padding there too. I think I can hook it right on here to my table. We'll be doing that. Okay, it also features this USB A to like double USB-C wire there. Little microphone cover. I'll be testing out the sound here so we can see the difference between the microphone I'm using and this one here. Has some four little Velcro ties there. That's pretty handy. All right, so here's the microphone, guys. It's got a metal base around here, a little volume control there on the front, as well as probably a mute button there, or you can push this to mute it if you need to. So plus and minus on the volume. Seems like nice quality here. This kind of rotates here, and you can tighten this if need be, so it doesn't spin too easily. On the back we have a headphone jack right there, as well as a USB-C for power there. So that's pretty cool. We have this screws on the bottom there that attaches to our final piece here, which I believe is the arm here. All right. So here's this, and this just features these little springs here, so you can adjust it to how you want it to move, different angles and stuff like that, and then you can tighten it if you want it to stay in that particular fashion. Dun, dun. Just watch your fingers, because you can be pinched in there, so just be kind of careful with that, but that's pretty sweet. Let's actually just, I'm gonna hook it up to my desk right here, so this just spins down here like that. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, first off, just like everything looks pretty solid. We got like a lot of metal frame here. It's not like plastic or anything, so that's cool. All right, so this just kind of unscrews, and we can just put it right here on this, like that. And okay, I can just tighten that right on there. That cinches on there, and then as tight as I want to do, I can just, it's locked in there on my desk right now. And this portion here, let's see, I believe, oops, actually this end right here just fits right in there, and that swivels any direction that I want it, and then it has a screw on the back that I can lock that into place. So if I want this to go here or a different direction like that, that's pretty cool. Okay, and we also have this microphone portion here. Like if I don't want to use this, so this little pad here, I can just put the microphone on there as well and have it like that in front of me as I plug in the cord and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Either way, screws on there nicely, and does have like the little foam there on the bottom, so it's not going to move around a whole lot. Okay, so I can put this on here as well. And this thing just kind of So I can just screws down on this however I want it to go on there. Just like that. And then we can just bend this to any way that we want. So it's in front of the microphone. It's pretty cool. On a bing, then just screws right in there onto that one too. Oops. All right, so we can check out the sound here this thing's gonna make. Should be pretty cool. It looks a lot more professional as well. Oops, now that one's on there too hard. Oh boy. So I can put that just like that and then adjust that to however way you want to. With a little cord there, that looks like I'm a podcaster or something now. So I'm actually just gonna hook this up right now, and then I'll switch my sound over from this one to this one, and we'll test it out, see how it works. Okay, friends, so here I am, just talking normally here. Let's see. Mute it. How do I know if it's muted or not? Oh boy, hope I didn't. I hope I just didn't mute it. Testing. Okay. All right. I was muted. I looked at my thing there. No volume was coming out there. Also, we have the lights here. My computer has like RGB lights, and my mouse pad, my keyboard, my mouse, everything's RGB. So this is RGB lighting on there too. Looks pretty cool. I'm adjusting the volume here up and down now, so I'm not sure if you guys can hear that or not. See how it works. Just kind of like normal distance here, talking. And now I'm just gonna play it back and see what it sounds like. Seems like it's picking up the sound really good. I like that this is like adjustable if I need to. A lot of people I know doing like podcasts and stuff like that, they have like their microphone right there, and it looks pretty much like the setup that they have, so it's kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna play it back and listen to my sound here, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, wow, so I just played this back to myself, and it's actually really impressive. I think it's better than this microphone, just so you guys know I'm not using this one. Not coming off of there. Yeah, actually really impressed with the sound quality. I'm just talking like normally, and seems to be like less background noise listening back than the microphone I'm currently using, so I might just have to go with this one. The only thing is I have my little unboxing setup here, so I don't know if this would be like kind of in the way or not. However, and it also does have the headphone jack here in the back, so if you are like podcasting or streaming or something like that, something with other sound that you're listening to people, you can't really have the sound coming off your computer because then you get like feedback and stuff like that. So nice that you can just plug in your headphones right there too and just listen that way, and that way it's not going to be any kind of feedback stuff going on and stuff like that. So yeah, really impressive. I actually like how adjustable this is. Pretty much any way you want. It's nice solid metal. Everything on here seems to be pretty well done. You can adjust it pretty much any way you want to, and then tighten it down so it's just going to stay in that place. A comfortable height, whichever way you want to. It's not like in the way really or anything like that. It's just kind of, and if you have it, whatever you have it, you can have it in your desk here and then coming towards you like that, or in front of you like this. There's a bunch of different applications. I like that you can just put a microphone on here too if you want to just do it that way. Super simple if you don't have a desk that it's going to clamp onto. But yeah, it's pretty impressive. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.